Hi, so in this video, I'm going to talk about the AI tools to write. So this is what you're seeing on the screen. This is the interface of ChatGPT. They have given a few examples here which we can write. So what I will try to start off with is like, let's say I'm a short story writer. So I want a prompt because I'm having a writer's block. So let me ask it for a prompt. Prompt me for a short comic story. Now, even I'm trying this prompt for the first time. You can see that ChatGPT is actually writing a completely new prompt, and it has written 5 lines by now. So you can see that it has given me around 6-7 lines of a prompt to start a short story. If I like this, I'll use it. If I don't like it, I can say regenerate response. So you can see here you're a clumsy superhero who always manages to save the day, blah blah. And when we'll regenerate, it will write something else. So you can see it has given another prompt for me, so I can keep on taking as many prompts as I want, and this will help me write a short story. Now, thinking of another model where I may want to write, let's say, a blog article on green energy. I'm choosing a typical technical topic just to show that it need not do only literary work, it can even take on the technical topics. So let's see what does it write. So it gives a possible outline for a blog article on green energy. So you can see that it has given us six outline topics, and then using these we can even write in detail. I can actually even ask it to give more details on, let's say, the first topic, introduction to green energy, what it is and why is it important. I'll just copy this and paste it here, and then let's see what it says. So now you see, once I've got the outlines, I can even ask it to write details of each one. So it will take me a little time, but I'm having this artificial intelligence write a complete article for me. So prompt by prompt, I can keep going and it will keep on writing for each of the outlines that it has given me. And this helps me write a blog article. Now, another possibility is to write a poem. So let's say I wanted to write a poem for my sweet girlfriend. Let's see how can ChatGPT help me here. Now just remember that whatever you get from this, somebody else can also get the same results. So uh, I'm not very sure how will you claim a copyright on something that ChatGPT has generated for you. But it is also true that probably nobody currently will be able to dispute your claim either. So let's see how this thing works out from legal perspective in future. But right now there's a lack of clarity. So you see what we have done till now is we have first written a prompt for a short comic story. We didn't like it. We didn't like the first one, so we went to a second one. Then it wrote a blog article outline for us for green energy. And when asked to write in detail about the first outline, it also wrote that. So if I do it for all six, it can actually write a complete article for me. Then I did write a poem for my sweet girlfriend, and it created a completely new poem. So this part of the literary need can also be satisfied. Lastly, let's say I want to write an advertisement for LinkedIn for my course on how to write an ebook. So you have to be careful about what are you prompting it with. So the prompt has to be fairly accurate. Advertisement for LinkedIn for my course on how to write an ebook. Let's see how it responds to this. So now you see it is writing. This is what is like copywriting or something. Are you looking to learn how to write and self-publish your own book? Look no further. Introducing our course on how to write an ebook, available now on LinkedIn Learning. So this part, I'm sorry, this part it has thought about its own. I was trying to just write a LinkedIn ad, but it is saying available now on LinkedIn Learning. Of course, I'll have to change this. Our course is like led by industry experts. In this course, you will learn valuable skills like these. So it has written a full proper article, you can see. And this is really very helpful when people are doing copywriting work, especially because everybody is not uh, skilled that way, how to write an advertisement. So you can see that there are multiple options which it can do, and currently it is doing it free of cost. Later on, I'm sure some money will be charged, but right now you can continue doing this. So I hope this particular video has been helpful for you to understand ChatGPT. It is not a very technical thing, and you can just go and use it for your writing purpose, whether it is to get a prompt to overcome your writer's block, or to write a poem, or if you do a copywriting work, or if you write greeting cards, if you write, you can even write an email. Let's try that also before we end this video. So I'll say congratulatory email to my friend on his promotion. Let's say what it writes. If nothing else, I'm going to use this just to avoid the hard work of typing so much. So, I mean, this is a completely generic email that it has created, and all I need to do is just copy and paste it to my friend. And at least it will give an impression that I actually took the trouble of writing 3.5 paragraphs for him. So, overall, my writer friends who are doing this particular course, overall, all I have to say is that this particular ChatGPT tool, which is right now free of cost, please use it as much as you can. It will help you in doing copywriting work and even writing actual novels, giving you prompts and everything. So thanks a lot, and let's go to the next video.